Jai Sitaram, Jai Shri Krishna, Jai Shri Swaminarayan. This is a Leela of Ram Bhakta Hanuman ji. Upon the return to Ayodhya by Ramchandra Bhagwan, Sita Mata and Lakshman ji and Hanuman ji, everyone started performing duties for Ramchandra Bhagwan after his coronation as king of Ayodhya. But everyone found that the Hanumanji was the first to do all sevas and all duties for Hanumanda. No one else in the family or the household got a look in to do any seva. Whatever was needed or needed to be done, Hanumanji was always first, ever present, doing all the sevas. This upset Sitaji, Bharatji, Shatrughanji and all the other members of the family. And they thought, Hanuman Dada is doing all the seva. What about us? Why have we not got any seva to do? Hence, Sitaji had a conversation with all the family members and said, look, what we should do is split all the sevas up amongst ourselves so that we get bits to do, so we can serve Ramchandra Bhagwan. So they agreed and they decided to split all the sevas up. Someone to wash Ramchandra Bhagwan's feet, someone to put his clothes out, someone to have water ready for his bath, to wash his hands. All the sevas that had to be done were equally divided. But there was no seva allocated to Hanuman Dada because everyone knew that if we gave him a small seva, he would slowly take over every seva that they had. Hence, no seva for Hanuman Dada. This upset him. He was very upset, and he said, Sitama, you have all good seva, but nothing for me. Why is that? Sitama said, sorry Hanumanji, Dada, but there is nothing left for you. Maybe one day, when something comes up, we will give that seva to you. Sitting by himself, Hanumanda thought long and hard, and suddenly he said, there's one seva I can do, Mataji. What is it, Sitaji said? When Ramchandra Bhagwanji yawns, who will be next to him to click the finger? Because in our Shastras, it is believed that if one yawns without clicking the finger, it shortens their lifespan. Sitaji thought, well, okay, let him do his seva. There's no harm in that. And Hanuman Dada was pleased that he had one seva. So all day long that day, Hanuman Dada spent time with Ramchandra Bhagwan, watching everyone perform their duties towards him. Nightfall came. Everyone went to their chambers to rest. Sitaji went to her chamber following Ramchandra Bhagwan with Hanuman Dada following. At the door, Sitaji turned around and said, Hanuman Dada, you can't come in here. This is our bed chamber. We have to be alone now. We have to rest. Please, you go and rest as well. With that, she closed the door. Hanuman Dada solemnly walked away and went and sat down at the bank of river Saryu. And he thought, my Lord Ramchandra Bhagwan, how do I know when he's yawning? I'm not there. If he's yawning, his lifespan will shorten. So what do? I know. I'll click my finger now. Just in case he's yawning, this is my seva. He started clicking his finger. Continually. in the chamber of Ramchandra Bhagwan and Sita ji, Ramchandra Bhagwan started yawning, continuously, non-stop. And Sita ji said, "My lord, what is happening? Why are you yawning?" And Ramchandra Bhagwan said, "I don't know." Yawning. Sita ji was very upset and worried. What is happening? She gave him a drink of water. Still, no effect. Yawning. In the end, she went to Mata Kaushalya. She came. Look, she couldn't do anything or say anything that was stop Ramchandra Bhagwan yawning. They called Vashishta Muni and all the other Vaids in the temple. They also, no effect. And all of a sudden, Sita ji remembered Hanuman Dada. We're given him his duty. What is he doing right now? And in her heart, she knew that it had to be something to do with Hanuman Dada. So they all went to find Hanuman Dada. And they found him on the bank of river Saryu. There was Hanuman Dada. Click, click, click. And they went to him, bowed before him and said, "Hanuman Dada, what are you doing?" And Hanuman Dada said, "Mataji, how do I know when my Prabhu is yawning? I'm not there to see. So I'm clicking my fingers just in case he's yawning now." While Hanuman Dada was clicking his fingers, Ramchandra Bhagwan ji kept on yawning. And they prayed to him to stop and explain that Ramchandra Bhagwan could not stop yawning. Hanuman Dada stopped. And then they realized how important Hanuman Dada, what a Param Bhakta he is of Ramchandra Bhagwan, what his greatness is, that Ramchandra Bhagwan didn't want to yawn, but because Dada was clicking his fingers, Ramchandra Bhagwan couldn't stop yawning. And they realized that their being upset at him doing the seva was not a good lakshan of a Hari Bhakta. So from the following day, they said, "Hanuman Dada, you can do whatever seva you want of Ramchandra Bhagwan, and we will assist you in whatever you do." Jai Shri Swaminarayan. Jai Shri Krishna. Jai Shri Ram.